The Kenyan Nilots, good morning. Now I am in Webuye town. This is in Bungoma County. I am taking you on a tour to one of the most amazing, beautiful places just 7 kilometers from Webuye town, and this place is absolutely breathtaking. Take a look at exactly what I am talking about. This will blow off your mind. Oh my goodness. I have never ever witnessed such a thunderous free waterfall like this before. This is madly insane. Totally insane. I have never seen such a magnificent waterfall in my entire life. This is absolutely marvelous. This place is amazing, and the fact that it's just 7 kilometers from Webuye town makes it quite accessible. Whether you have a car with a low ground clearance or otherwise, you can access it, but the views here is absolutely breathtaking. This is amazing. Take a look. So over there, the river comes from River Nzoia, and it flows down to that part where there is a serious waterfall, and there are 3 of them. If you can see from that point, there is one, and then just behind this hill there's another one, and then there is the 3rd one. So they come from that point, there's another one over there, and the 3rd one here, and they come and converge here, and they flow down as it makes its way towards Webuye, those sides of Western Kenya. This is just amazing. It's amazing. The sound of the water just hitting the rocks is so loud that I have to shout to get this voiceover done because it's deafening. But look at that. Just look at that. This is mind-boggling. So well, one can also do rock climbing. You can actually move to the higher level. The rocks are good, they are strong enough, they don't slide, so you can come up to the highest point, and then if you are not so much afraid, then you'll get the view. So I am actually at the highest point of this place. Now let me show you not an aerial view, but now a better view of the fall. Take a look. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Listen to the thunderous sound of the water snaking its way and hitting upon the rocks, just making its way down to the river there. Look at that. I wish somebody would just spend some time off your busy schedule and travel and just visit Western Kenya. This is Nabuyole Falls, free of charge. You come and just soak in the view of this amazing and beautiful waterfall in Western Webuye, to be precise, in Bungoma County. This is marvelous, marvelous, marvelous. The force of the water, the rocks, and the rivers, 3 things combined makes something quite eye-candy, eye-catchy. It's beyond, I don't know what to say. Wow. Wow. So loud that actually I have to shout even to listen to myself. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. So yes, this is one of the most, and I can say this is one of the hidden gems here in Bungoma County. So if you happen to come to this side of Western Kenya, please just make a point of visiting Nabuyole Waterfalls. It's absolutely free of charge. Nobody is here to man this place. It's open to the public, and the community around here are so friendly. I mean, I kept on asking people the direction, and they gave me direction to this place, and they're actually unbothered, and they're welcoming, so I like it. Guys, I have found it. Finally, I have found it. This is now the best view of Nabuyole Waterfalls. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Again, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready, guys? And this is Nabuyole Waterfalls. Look at that. Look at that. I have found it. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the sheer force of the water. Look at that. My goodness. My goodness. Look at that sheer force of the water flowing down from tributary number 1. There is another tributary from the other side, and this lonely rock here stands still and strong, just, you know, persevering the force and the thunderous sound of the water, standing strong right there, giving the sign of stability and stamina. Amongst the storm, in between the waterfall, it doesn't matter, but this is what matters. Nabuyole Waterfalls. Guys, you need to visit this place. Western Kenya has got something to offer. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It comes down slowly, gently, as if nothing is happening, then falls right here. And it finds its way across the rocks, snaking its way in between the rocks, and finally to the down waterfall below. This is beautiful, for lack of a better word. So the good thing about this place is that one can also do nature trail, just in case you want to walk around and get the view of this place. You can walk. The paths are very nice. It's well done. You can do a nature trail as you head to the other side of the waterfall to get a better view. So this is beautiful. Now from here one can also see the other side of the waterfall. Let me show you on this, from this view, from this angle. So it comes down here and it snakes down to that point, and then ultimately to the other side of the river. This is something out of this world. But one thing I came to realize about this place is that a majority of people who live this place are stone crushers, and mostly are women. Let me just show you how they do it. It's the ballast, or kokoto if you like it. They do it for economic purposes, and some of them have been doing this for quite a long time. For example, this lady here, take a look. Lakini kanta lazima ijae. Imekuwa muda kitambo kanta ijae, si imekaa sana. Kumangana tu.
Sasa kama hii inajaa. Hapa hivi nachukua kama hapo itajaa. Yaani si unajua hiyo kanda kuna laini 3 huko ndani. Sasa wao wanaweka imekuwa fulani. Si atijae full. Na mistari ziko ndani, mstari ya kwanza, ya pili, ya tatu. Sasa imekaa.
So the lady tells me that after all is done, then one lorry, or what we prefer, or we call a canter, goes for 16,000 shillings. And when they take it from here, then they resell it at a higher price, probably around 30,000 or something, to the construction sites. For those people who are doing construction. So it's one of the main economic activity happening here, but they're saying that it's better than what they're doing. Now what happens is they wake up in the morning, they go to their farms, tend their farms, and then now come later on to crush stones. Being creative and just to support yourselves. I like that. Hiyo ni mawe? So this is another bit of it. This is the simplest part of it. I think it's what I should call just river crossing. Yeah, just to cross as I head to the main water body. It's beautiful. I love the environment. It's quite serene and lush and just fresh. Okay, but I am so sure that you're not ready for something that I'm about to show you. You are not ready for this. One more time. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. I told you you are not ready for this. You are not ready for this. Look at this amazing natural resource we have in Western Kenya. First of all, you walk on the rocks, and then there is that effect of the sandy beaches. You get that? Look at that. Yeah. But then this is the real deal. Wow. 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 My goodness. Look at this. My goodness. The sheer force, you know, the rage that it goes down with, the speed, the power of the water. The closest that I can get to this majestic waterfall, and I continue to get closer and closer to it. But yeah, I have gone round and round and round and round, and finally I have made it to the place I can say is somewhat closer to it. This is just magnificent. It's amazing. Let's look at the view. Look at that. Down there. The sound of the river, you know, just going down up to around Lake Victoria is just something out of this world. This is amazing. Yeah, I love it. Look at that, even at the background, the rocks, the sound of the water, and the sheer force and the power. I love this. By the river of Babylon. Maybe something of that. No, by the river of Nabuyole Falls. By the river of Nabuyole Falls. Now this is just something, but be very careful, because one mistake, you trip, you are gone. Look at that. So now over there is where we have now one of the tributary. The second one is down there, and then the other one is somewhere behind that big rock that you can see somewhere around there, that rock here. So the second one is here, the third one is just right behind this small hill, and the bigger one is here. So when they come and they join this place, it goes down, you know. Nabuyole Falls. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Wow. No one can get enough of this. Listen to that sound alone. Listen to that. It would be possible for me to go uphill. Well, it's tough. Oh yeah. So if you go up the other side, you go to the highest point and get the entire view of this waterfall. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah. This is good. So let me give you a quick wrap. I can give this place a clean 10 out of 10 based on the environment. What I've seen, what I've witnessed is just amazing. The environment around this place, the community here, they're so friendly, so welcoming. If you're lost, they'll give you directions until you get to where you're going. Now, a quick breakdown. If you are using a public service vehicle from Nairobi, capital city, then it will cost you between 1,000 to 1,500 shillings, depending on which vehicle that you'll be using, either shuttle or either bus. And then alight in Webuye or Webuye town, and then take 100 shillings motorbike ride that will bring you up to this place. They all know this place. Thereafter, entry to this place is absolutely free of charge. So that would cost you between 1,000 or 2,000 shillings from Nairobi to here, based on what you want. And then now for accommodation, you can either put up in Webuye town or proceed to Bungoma. Bungoma is around 28 kilometers from Webuye town to Bungoma town. You can go there, get an Airbnb or a hotel if you want, and explore. Bungoma town has got so much to offer. Remember that adventure awaits you right outside your comfort zone. So just pack your bags, go travel. You will meet people there and just explore. Right about now, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe. It's absolutely free, but it means something close to me. Subscribe, share, and like so that you keep on getting more of such videos when I upload them. Right about now, thank you so much, and see you on the next one. What about we soak into the beautiful view of Nabuyole Waterfalls?